Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho Creator Project Workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Zoho Creator. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Zoho Creator homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You'll be directed to a login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. After entering your email, move on to the password field. Type your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. Wait for the system to authenticate your information. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your Zoho Creator dashboard. From here, navigate to the Project Workflows section. Click on the project for which you wish to manage workflows. Review your project's existing workflows or create a new one as needed. That's it. You are now logged in and ready to manage your Zoho Creator project workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.